guys, welcome to another video of Play Pack. On this one we're gonna do another reverse engineering challenge. This one I got it from Crackme.1. At the moment that I'm recording the video, we are still on quarantine, so we are doing a few challenges. The ones that appear first on Crackme.1. We're gonna start with the easiest one, so everyone can follow, and then we're gonna do some more advanced ones. We still are on the basic level, so we are grabbing the ones that are level 1, 2, or 3. I guess this one is in the middle, it's level 2. I will leave the download link on the comment section below, on the description of the video I meant. And also in the future we also do maybe the challenges from Hack the Box. Alright, so let's first unpack this guy, and the password will be Crackme.1. Also on Play Pack tool you will find a few challenges that I made myself. Those are really fun to do. They might be a little bit more difficult than these ones, but they are really cool ones. I will highly recommend you guys to do the Dragon Crack. That's the one that you have to programmatically defeat a dragon that fights back using anti-debugging techniques. That's quite cool to do. Alrighty, it's kind of an RPG game. So to start, we need to put this guy on PID, and then yes, we find out the platform is Windows 32, and it was made using Visual Studio. Visual C++, so we have to select the 32 bits debugger of IDA and then open. Alright, the first thing first, checks the exports when it finishes loading the maps. Alright, there you go. Okay, so we already have all the functions that IDA recognized and all the other ones that were not recognized by IDA. We have only one main entry, and then if we go to imports, we can quickly look at those. Okay. Alright, then we jump into strings, and then let's see if we get something here. Alright, no, nothing. Let's check this. Alright, open key, reference. What is it doing? Okay, it's calling this guy. No, this is not. This is a more standard from Visual Studio. Alright, so we can go into the entry point, jump into this guy, jump into this guy. That's not the main of the program, but it's the common main. And then from there, yeah, from here, yeah, this is the startup of it. Okay, this is not the main, but the color of the main. This is not the main of the program itself. Alright, I think we can start here and start debugging. Also, we can look at the program. So select the debugger, local Windows debugger. I'm inside a virtual machine always with a host-only network. Boom, and also it's a snapshot. So after I finish this guy, I will choose the snapshot back. Okay, I'm running it for the first time. Once it's loaded, let's see what we need to do. I guess we need to get a password or a serial or something. So press space, then we go here into the graphical view. Space again to go back to it. We are inside the text section, the code section. So we continue the execution of this guy, and let's see what's gonna do. So we go here. Yeah, still loading. Okay. All right, now I think it's calling the real main. And then yes, and this is, I guess this is the call for main. Jump again. All right, let's put a breakpoint here. Stop the execution. Control F2, F9 to run it again, and then we should be, as soon as it's ready, we should be hit this breakpoint. it's taking some time. There you go. So we are here, and also we can do this auto comments, and also there's yeah, let's add this functional. Yeah, like that. Okay, perfect. So we can continue from it. Let's see what it's gonna do. It's still initializing. Oh, sorry, wrong breakpoint. Wrong push EBP. Let's continue to the next one. There you go. So so I press F2, disable the first breakpoint because that wasn't the real main. This is the real one. This is the one we want. How did I figure that out? Because we have text here that's gonna be showing the screen. That's quite trivial. So let's continue with it. And so basically, what it's doing now, yeah, it's pushing all these all these values to EVP. You see, so this guy. So if you go here and then if you double click on it and then you press A, you can get the full one. Boom, boom, boom. Same for all of those, right? So enter the password. So the word, as you can see, P is completed, but all the other is choose random because it still didn't move the value into it, and you see it's gonna complete it until here. If we go back, see, enter password, so it's still moving the values from memory to EVP. And then I guess what it's gonna do, it's gonna load these values and then at some point show it into the screen. So now it's gonna do a print on the screen, and then it's about to call. You can see it here. Here's the print on the screen. It already recognized it. So if you go inside this guy, you can actually make the follow with the reference here. And then you can also do this and then see where it's making counts here and there. So actually this looks like the condition because we have only two conditions. So I guess this is a basic one. So ask to go back, then we continue with it, and then I guess now it's stopping because it made a call for std in. So yeah, now it's asking for the password. Let's say like that. Boom. Then we continue. It's gonna check the password. All right. So now, well, it already made the out. So the password is wrong. So we can do this. Put it in red, and let's see if we should have got the wrong password or something like that. Yes, so this is not the one we wanted to do. This is the comparison, and put a breakpoint there, and then we're gonna mark this guy in green because that's where we wanted to go. Oh, now it's just spinning around this. Alright, so it's calling this guy. Okay, I'm gonna make a breakpoint there. Put it like that. So as soon as it's ready, it's gonna break on the first from the first guy. That's the push EVP. Alright, you can see all the values here that are set for the pointers. And then after that, those are filled with the values here. All right, we can actually remove this one already. So continue until this guy. Let's see what is inside this. No, yeah, this is a call for. Yeah, you see, this is a call for the buff. This is constructing the buffers and the streams. So this is not it. We can continue. Now it's waiting for our input. Okay, and this might be the logical one. I guess this is it. Okay, this is a call for standard input, and where it's creating the stream and doing all that magic to move the values from the standard input into the proper buffers. And then well, now we are here. If we go inside this guy, I guess this gonna be the password is checking after, so it's loading the values into those into those pointers from the values here. I see there the pointers. Okay, so if we let's do a notepad and take the encrypted C string. Oh, sorry. And then okay, I guess then after, yeah, this is our ace. Yeah, there you go. This is our ace, and these are the values. And here you can see encrypted. Press A for each one. Well, we already copied. Yeah. Okay, let's go back. So in case we can Ctrl F2 to stop the program. Continue on this guy. That's gonna be the password, I guess. Take that breakpoint out, and then F9, stop on the next breakpoint, and then if we press F8, we arrive into the green one. Take out the breakpoint out from the condition, and we solve the Crackme, I guess, because it's now loading into loading a specific address the value of correct. You see here. There you go. All right. Yes. Okay, guys. I think that's it. This was a quite a easy Crackme. It's good if you can download this Crackme, do it yourself on your own virtual machine. Try to do it before watching the video, and then you can watch the video to see if you manage to do it similar on how I did. Try to not do patching, so do not patch the code to get into the correct one, but try to find the password itself, and then try to use the video as a tutorial. If you haven't done it with this guy, with this video, with this Crackme, then maybe try it with the next one. If you have any suggestions, any comments, or any feedback, please leave it at the section below. And thanks for watching. Stay safe, enjoy your quarantine, try to learn something new, and yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.